Straining pasta is such a pain when the noodles spill and go down the drain. There has to be a better way.
Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with my new Gotham steel pasta pot.
With tempered glass lid and built-in strainer. Plus our exclusive Stay Cool twist and lock handle. Look here, just twist to lock, then drain the pot. With Gotham steel, you're guaranteed perfect straining and delicious meals every time. The secret's the twist and lock handles that stay cool to the touch and hold the lid down tight. Even upside down with 5 pounds of potatoes. Our Thai ceramic surface is made with super strong titanium and a super slick ceramic. It's durable, so mashing potatoes with electric beaters won't scratch it. Plus, nothing sticks while cooking. Mac and cheese just slides right out. You can even melt cheese right in the pot with no sticking. Try that with another pan. It's a disaster. Our tempered glass lid is high strength and virtually damage proof with both large straining holes and smaller ones, so even the smallest veggies can't escape. The 4-quart pot is large enough for a whole seafood boil. Easily drain the broth, then feast your eyes on this. And there's no easier way to hard boil and drain up to 2 dozen eggs. Plus, it's the best way to drain the fat off ground beef. Add beans, tomato sauce and spices for an easy, delicious Texas chili. Or look here, pop some corn. It's non-stick, so no oil is needed. Then mix in marshmallows, chocolate chips and pour out to cool. So good. So don't let straining get you stressed.